Thank you for clicking on WYTV.com. I'm forecaster Jacob Thompson. Here's what we're going to be talking about. We got winds picking up speed with more rain and a possible thunderstorm coming on into the area, and cooler temps, cooler than what we've been experiencing this weekend coming up for the work week. So let's get right into it. Right now we got a wind advisory for the whole entire area. The National Weather Service out of Cleveland is issuing wind advisories till 4 o'clock for both Mahoning and Trumbull County. Now for the Pittsburgh National Weather Service, you can see that it's until 7 o'clock for Columbiana County and Mercer County until 7 o'clock Sunday evening. Now if we take a look off into the west, you could see that there's a little bit of rain forming out near Arkansas. That'll gather more moisture and form into a line as it makes its way up into our area. So let's get right into it with Pinpoint Futurecast. You can see temps are going to drop down into the midnight hours into the 50s before starting to come back up, with some of this rain starting to work on in through the area. Now the yellow and red spots, that indicates heavier rain, but it can produce a little bit of rumbles of thunder into a thunderstorm. As we start to work our way in through Sunday, you can see temps remain in the 60s. Rain starts to be spotty at this point as cloud coverage clears throughout the northern half of our area Sunday evening. As we go on through the overnight hours into Monday, you can see more rain starts to form on into the area during the overnight hours and pretty much remains in as you step out the door Monday morning. As we go on through the day into Monday, you can see more rain continues to collect into the area and go on through and will pretty much remain a factor of the area as we go on through Monday afternoon before making its way on out into the east. So let's take a look at a little bit of a wider factor when this thing starts to come in from the southwest and makes its way on into the area. Zooming a little closer into our area, you can see this rain pretty much stays in throughout the area through almost the whole entire day on Monday before again pushing its way off into the east. So rainfall outlook for over the next throughout this first system coming through during the overnight hours tonight. You can see we can expect about 1/10 of an inch of rain throughout the area. Not a whole lot of rain looking ahead through this first system. Wind's going to be a factor going on in through Sunday. You can see wind speeds can get above 20 miles per hour, reaching almost 30 miles per hour before they start to dip back off and be where they should be. Now, wind gust is another factor that I'm also keeping track of right now. You could see during the overnight hours, wind gusts can get above 40, even close to 50 miles per hour. It's going to remain above in the 40s throughout most of the day on Sunday. And then as we get into Sunday evening, that will start to taper off as well. So for temperatures over the next 5 days, you can see tomorrow, Sunday, going to be the warmest day. Again, windy with the chance of rain throughout Sunday. Monday, temperatures start to drop into the 50s, down into the 40s for Tuesday over these next 5 days. That's the coldest day we're looking at. And then they start to come back up into the 50s. So not as warm as we have been feeling for Saturday and Sunday, but it's still above that freezing point. As we go on throughout the evening, temperatures are going to start to cool down back down into the 60s, lower ends on the 60s, but just remaining partly cloudy through the late evening hours. Then the rain starts to come in roughly at about 3 o'clock during the overnight hours. 56 is the low. Winds and gusts will be picking up, and again, a chance for a shower. As we go on into tomorrow, high of 71 degrees. That rain will come back through during the late evening hours as clouds increase by the evening. And then you can see winds can get to 20 to 25 miles per hour, almost reaching 30, with wind gusts getting above 45 degrees. So here's a look at your 7-day right now. You can see Tuesday we start to cool down just a bit with a chance of showers in the morning. Cloudier and cooler, high of 40 degrees. Wednesday, partly sunny, high of 50 degrees. So we go on in through Thursday, mostly cloudy, remains in the 50s, continues in the 50s with a chance of rain showers for your Friday. And then we move on into Saturday, where temperatures will drop back down into the 30s, chance of snow showers for your daylight saving.